Hi, I'm going to show you how to set up an account at Namecheap.com. The reason I use Namecheap is because they don't tend to throw all these offers at you when you're buying through GoDaddy. There's normally so many places where they're trying to sell you something. It can get a bit confusing and people get lost. I find Namecheap really easy to use. I've never had any problems with them. When I forgot to renew a domain, I can normally pick it up, as long as I remember within a reasonable amount of time. And in general, the prices are the same or within $1. And to me, in my experience, and I've used a few different domain companies, it's not worth saving 50 cents or $1 for all the aggro. So I buy all my domains now through Namecheap. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to sign up for a free account. As you can see, my username is already in there. So I better get rid of that. So we're signing up for a new one. Okay, so just put your primary email address in here. Doesn't really matter whether it's personal or business use. Oh. Okay, we're going off and creating the account now. You can see how easy it is. It's just your name and email address. And obviously they're going to take a while. There's some sort of unwritten rule, I think, that whenever you're making a video, the websites you're accessing always run slower than they will do the minute you turn off the video camera. Okay, we're nearly there. And then what will happen is they'll send you an email, okay, just to verify your details. There you go. Okay, so this is my homepage. Now, what you can do is you can add funds to your account through PayPal or Google Checkout, or you can just pay as you go. Just get your credit card out and pay for each item as you buy it. It depends how many you're going to be buying. If you're going to be buying a lot of domains, then it's worth putting some money in there. And once you get about 20 domains, then it's worth contacting them and just seeing if they've got a ongoing coupon code. I know once I hit 50, I think it was, then I got given a coupon code once I asked for it. And you can do the usual things. They do offer hosting and they do offer security certificates. I don't advise buying it. I like to keep my hosting and my domain names totally separate. Okay? So, first thing you're going to do, this is the first domain you've ever bought, you're just starting out online. Okay? So go up here to register a domain. Now, you can either put in the domain you're thinking of. Okay, just leave the .com ticked. Oh no, it's taken. But they do show you all the other file endings that are available. .net I would consider, a .org I would consider. Unless you're in England, in which case, if you're aiming something at the British market, then by all means go for the .co.uk. But otherwise, we really want a .com. Okay. What you can also do, search by keyword. You can decide to include hyphens if you want. Obviously the keywords I'm picking are a bit, obvious. You may have to mess around, okay, to get the keyword that, the domain name that you're looking for. So as you can see, HostgatorMadeEasy.com. HostgatorMade.com. Okay. So then what you would do is say I want that one. Oh, let me show you the bulk domain search as well. You could put in, say you had quite a lot of ideas, HostGator Made Easy, HostGator Made Simple, HostGator Made whatever, okay? Stick a .com on the end of them all and just put them all in there. Put 30, you can go up to 30 and then it will tell you if they're available. So where do we get HostGator Made Easy? Okay, so the domain name you're after is available, and choosing a domain name is a bit of a game. It's always good to get the keywords in there. If you're going for a site about acne, then you want to make sure you've got the keyword in there. Okay. If this is your first domain, this is the one that you're going to be using for your hosting account. Okay. Make it something you're going to keep. I own paulfulsey.com. Okay. Pick one that's your name. Okay. And then add it to the cart. As you can see, $9.69. Now, there is an area here for a coupon code. Because this is our first one, we don't know what the domain name servers are going to be from HostGator. And if you're wondering what a domain name server is, that's just something that the internet uses to make sure it knows where to send things. So when somebody clicks on HostGator Made Easy, what they'll actually be taken to is the name servers that I put in, and that will direct them to my hosting. It's difficult to explain, but that's the simplest way of explaining it, I think. Now, since this is your first domain, do Express Checkout. Put in your name and address here and continue the checkout. Okay, there you go. So now it wants me to pay. I can either pay using the funds available in my account if I've got some, or I can pay directly using my card. So I just did open up a new tab. So what you would do, you can add funds using a credit card, Google Checkout, or you can use PayPal. Let's do it using PayPal. Let's just add $9.69. Proceed to PayPal. And what this will do now is it will actually take me to the PayPal page. There you go. So add funds to this account, and that's the amount. Log into PayPal. By the time you see this video, some of these details may have had to be blanked out because there's always somebody trying to do something naughty on the internet. Okay, so it's the right amount. It's coming out my PayPal balance. It's got the right account name in there to add funds to. Just refresh the page and there you go, it shows the amount. Now, I've opened this in a new tab just to make it easier to show you how you add funds. Okay, but this is the checkout. Proceed to secure payment. Total bill amount $9.69. And now what it's doing is just going off and registering the domain name for me and putting it under my name and everything like that. There you go. They give you a free Whois guard, which means you can hide who owns the domain if you want to. Okay, that's today's date. There's the order ID and how much it's cost me. Okay. So I've got one domain in this account. Just go to my Gmail account. And there you go, I've got one email welcoming me. I've got a receipt. And then I've got, so I now own that domain. Okay, so you've now bought yourself a domain. Now obviously until you've got a hosting, domain name alone isn't much good, but that's okay, because in the next video I'm going to show you how I'm going to do a walkthrough of the HostGator accounts, the different options, so you can decide which one is right for you. And then I will be doing a video showing you how to buy a HostGator account. Okay, how to set your hosting up. And I'll talk to you about the differences between add-on domains and a reseller account, and which one may be right for you. Okay. I hope this video has helped you with Namecheap, showing you how to get an account and how to buy your first domain. Thanks for watching.